Let me ask you a quick question. If you had an extra 5 hours a week, what would you do with it? That's exactly what ChatGPT can give you. More time back. Not by magic, but by helping you automate and simplify the things that normally eat up your day. What is ChatGPT in plain English? Many have heard about ChatGPT, or maybe even played around with it. But here's the simple truth. ChatGPT is a language model. That means it has been trained on massive amounts of text, so it can predict and generate human-like responses to your prompts. That's what you type into it. Think of it like having a smart digital assistant that you can talk to, only instead of answering with one word, it can draft emails, create reports, brainstorm strategies, or even role play as your customer. For example, instead of Googling best marketing strategies for, let's say, a bakery, you can ask ChatGPT, give me 5 unique social media campaign ideas for a local bakery targeting young professionals. Unlike Google, ChatGPT doesn't just throw you links. It gives you actionable, tailored answers. The real power from using ChatGPT is your prompt input. Here's where most people miss out. ChatGPT is only as good as the questions you ask. This is called prompt engineering. If you say, write a blog post about taxes, you'll get something generic. But if you say, write a 500-word blog post for small business owners in Atlanta, make it conversational, give 3 specific tax tips they might overlook, and include a call to action for scheduling a consultation, then you've got something specific, professional, and tailored to your audience. Here are a few practical ways small businesses are using ChatGPT today. Emails and client communication, draft proposals, follow-ups, or polite reminders instantly. Marketing and social media, generate captions, calendars, or video scripts quickly. Documentation and policies, draft job descriptions, procedures, and handbooks. Customer support, create frequently asked questions, libraries, or integrate with chat boxes for 24/7 responses. What ChatGPT can't do. ChatGPT is powerful, but it's not perfect. It doesn't know real-time data unless paired with plugins. It can also generate text that sounds right, but isn't fully accurate. That's why you, as the expert, must provide direction and oversight. Think of it as a fast, smart junior assistant. Why does this matter for small business owners? For small business owners, every hour counts. Without a large team, you are wearing many hats: accountant, marketer, HR, and customer service rep. ChatGPT lightens that load. It doesn't just save time, it lets you operate at the level of a much larger business. This is how you punch above your weight class. This is what I want you to do this week. Pick one area of your business this week. Emails, marketing, or policy writing, and test ChatGPT. The more specific your prompts are, the more powerful your results. If this breakdown was helpful, subscribe for more ways to save time, money, and stress with AI tools. Drop me a comment and share your experience with ChatGPT.